Place borax ant bait where ants naturally travel and congregate so they will carry it back to the colony. Start by mapping ant trails for several hours and note consistent pathways that run from outdoor nesting areas to indoor food sources. Prepare a bait by mixing 1 part borax with 3 parts sugar and a little water to create a damp paste that holds together on a small card or lid. The sugar attracts, and the borax is slow acting so workers can return to the nest. Set baits in covered shallow containers or under small rocks to protect from rain and pets while allowing ant access. Place them at entry points such as door thresholds, windowsills, utility penetrations, and along baseboards where trails meet food storage. For outdoor placement, put bait beside visible nest mounds and along shrub lines, but not directly on top of the nest opening to avoid collapse of tunnels. Replace or refresh baits every 3 to 4 days or sooner if they are dry or contaminated, and continue until activity stops, usually within 2 to 3 weeks. People often place bait in random spots that ants do not visit, which wastes product and delays control. Fix this by following active trails and placing bait directly on them. Another common issue is using borax at concentrations that are too high, which kills workers before they return to the nest. Ensure the bait remains attractive by keeping borax to sugar ratios low and moist enough to be carried. A third mistake is exposing bait to pets or children. Prevent access by using covered containers, placing baits in crawl spaces, behind appliances, or under raised landscaping stones so only ants can reach them. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical project knowledge related to pest control site selection and other home tasks. Our community discussions let homeowners and contractors exchange real-world tips and placement experiences so we can all improve results together.